but it is the pole position car of the 1980 Bathurst. 1980 Z28. Thank.
Is that it?
Yes.
Ah, cool.
That is definitely it.
Yeah.
It is, and it is the car that Bartlett and Forbes got pole position with at the big race.
Right.
So it didn't win the race.
Yeah. But it was the fastest.
I don't even know. They might have crashed it, might have rolled. I'm not too sure. But it is a pole position car of the 1980 Bathurst.
Right. Pretty chunky, isn't it?
It is. I've taken the part of the it's got a removable air scoop for the motor, air filter.
Yep.
So I've taken that off race tray and have a look at the detail. They've done that.
Should we go in a bit tighter?
You can go in all the way. Oh, look at that.
Let me focus.
I'm trying to hold it still. It's very good.
Well, there's a lot of cabling and plumbing in there, isn't it?
Isn't it? It's beautiful. Dry sumpage. Cars weren't quite as refined then. Carburetted, dry sump, standard sort of distributor ignition back in 1980. Very, very cool. It is left-hand drive. It's got all the aero equipped, all the blue and red fittings and piping.
Mm-hmm.
It's probably got one of the most detailed engine bays of a race car that I've remember seeing.
1980 scale. Yep.
Really cool. You can see the extractors down there.
Yep.
The swell pot for the oil. Really, really cool.
Work, isn't it?
Look at the headlight covers. I'm scared I'm going to take it out of focus.
No, it's good. You're good.
And the grille.
Yep. Very fine, isn't it?
Really, really nice.
Yellows come out really well.
Have a look underneath even. Like it's got the...
Oh, look at that. You can see through it.
It's got the ducting for the brakes.
Yep.
Very rudimentary. I mean, it's no different. They're quite similar now. Big heavy-duty sway bar.
Oh, it's chunky, yeah?
Yeah. And the extractors coming down.
Yep. Gearbox.
You can see there the dry sump, more dry sump piping. Manual gearbox out to the lakeside pipe. Quite a unique live rear axle there, I suppose, the way the dampers are set up. Torque rods.
And you got the big tank
with
the production number on it.
The production number, 978. Out of how many?
Must be 1,000, I'd say.
Is it 1,000? Well, don't go saying 1,000 if it's not. It's definitely not 500 because it's 978.
What did I say? It must be on the certificate.
It'll be definitely on the certificate. Now, along with this, we've also got full interior detail. As full as you can on a race car anyway.
Yep. Look at that.
Beautiful red interior, hey? Oh, yummy. That is 80s all over.
Yep.
No, I don't remember the cars with like the crushed velvet.
Crushed velvet.
And the vinyl. That's right, velour and vinyl mixed together with the chrome. Oh, gorgeous.
Very.
Dashboard. Excuse me for putting fingerprints all over it.
So do we work out who the drivers were?
Bartlett and Forbes. I don't know. Kevin Bartlett.
Yep.
And Forbes, I don't know
Pull it out a bit.
his first name. So on that race tray will sit on top of there. Brum, 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 brum. Before he starts off.
Brum, brum.
Brum, 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 brum.
That's cool.
Off it goes.
How nice is it?
I didn't actually show the rear, but that's all right.
Oh, want to have a look at it? What's that? Is that the...
That's the quick fill fuel tank. They probably started doing quick fill fuel cells back then.
Okay.
So it goes through the boot.
Yep.
So they didn't have to do that.
Lift anything up.
Yep. Or could have been even for oil. Part of the dry sump. But yeah, it looks to me like a fuel system. Because it's got a big fuel tank underneath as well.
Yeah, it's massive. Very cool.
Very cool. And that is by Classic Carlectables.
And
that is awesome.
Very nice.